not mentioned. So in the today's session, we are discussing about system interconnection. The question is like this: find the overall impulse response h of t in terms of the impulse response of each subsystem for the system shown below. The system is given like this. So finally, we have to find what are the operations are performed between the impulse responses of each subsystem. Okay, what are the operations are performed between the each subsystem. So in we know that we are representing, it may be system, may be continuous time system, system may be discrete time system. We are representing like this. So here in this given system, it is continuous time system, CTS. We know already, we discussed h of t is there, and we are finding y of t, where x of t acts as the input of the system and y of t acts as the output of the system. So but this h of t is the impulse response of this system, whereas h1 of t, h2 of t, h3 of t, h4 of t, and h5 of t, all these are the impulse responses of each subsystems. Each and every impulse responses of subsystems are connected with some operations. Here we can see that h1 of t and h4 of t, straight line connection is there. There is no operation. So this one we can indicate as a convolution. So what we are writing, this part we are simplifying as h1 of t convolution with h4 of t. Okay, fine. So this is simplified by using this operation. Coming to here, this part between h2 of t and h3 of t. So h2 of t is what? Plus. h3 of t is what? It is minus. Okay, is it clear? But we have to add these two things. h2 of t is what? It is plus is there, and h3 of t is what? It is minus. Togetherly, what we are doing? Minus with this operation. Okay, h2 of t and h3 of t we have to add. Okay, this one we simplified. Fine. Next, this result is what? Minus, subtract with the this result. So nothing but this one we simplified. We got h1 of t convolution with h4 of t. This one we simplified, h2 of t plus h3 of t. This is minus is there. So sorry, this is plus. Mistake is there. Sorry, it is a plus is there. So because of that reason we are adding. Because of that reason we are adding. Now this result is going to subtract with this result. So this result we got already, we simplified. After simplifying this one, we got what we got, h1 of t convolution with h4 of t. This result we got. So from this, whatever we got after simplifying this part, what we got, h2 of t addition is there plus h3 of t. Okay, this term, this result we have to subtract, minus is given, subtract from this result. So we can write here, hence we can write h1 of t convolution with h4 of t. Okay, this is subtracted, this one we calculated, this is subtracted, hence minus h2 of t plus h3 of t. Okay, is it clear now? So up to here we simplified, and for this result, whatever we are getting at this moment, this result is what is connected with h5 of t. Hence we can write in last step what we are getting, h of t equal to, so h of t stands for, as I told, it is the impulse response of the system. H of t equal to h1 of t convolution with h4 of t. Okay, fine. Next, subtracted with H2 of t plus H3 of t. Fine. So this one we simplified up to here, we got like this. Then this result is converted with H5 of t. So for that, what I am doing, flower bracket E is converted with H5 of t. So likewise we are getting H of t.